Hey guys, Maverick here. I'm going to be running through some stuff that we have ordered for the 4Runner. Just give a quick little update on the build. So first for armor, we're going to have a Schrockworks front bumper. It's going to be the full hoop design. We're going to have a come-up winch. It's going to be the 9,500 pound winch with Bluetooth remote controller and the wired controller. We're going to have Baja Designs fog lights. It's going to be the Squadron Pros Amber driving combo. We're going to have Baja Designs XL Pros. It's going to be a spot. So, and for the rear bumper, we're going to have Schrockworks rear bumper with tire carrier. It's going to have a single jerry can holder. So for drivetrain, we're going to be running AirB air lockers front and rear. We're going to be going to 456 nitro gears. For electrical, we're going to be running a National Luna dual battery kit. We're going to have an Optima red top as the main battery, Optima yellow top as the secondary battery. We'll be running an S-Pod HD setup, and so right now we're really just waiting on parts to show up, things to be built. Schrockworks bumpers are being powder coated right now. Nitro gear is on a couple setbacks, so we gotta wait for gears. AirB air lockers are ordered. We already got the S-Pod, we got the dual battery tray, we got the National Luna kit. So I'm gonna start working on all that small stuff to get it ready for once all the rest of the parts get here. Alright guys, that's it for this video. It's just gonna be a quick update on everything that's coming for the 4Runner. I got a new camera, new microphone, so we're going to have the Rode Shotgun Mic Pro and then a Canon 6D Mark II as our main camera. So hopefully image is a little better, sounds a little better. Hopefully I can get some more videos out soon. Kind of just waiting on parts, so it's really not as very exciting as I would have hoped it to be, but start getting more video ideas, more into photography, so more videos coming out soon, guys. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. That'd be awesome.